you're drunk and saying that you need me close. Please don't keep me haunted by your ghost. When you leave me, all I hear is your echo.
Yung mga hita ko.
Hold on to the possibility that you and me could turn into us. Cause every time we break it's never clean, and that's a death by 1,000 cuts. If you don't end it when it's over, could you leave me lonely? Cause when you break me